Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
Sheesh, you guys remember that little RV that was out here? I have no idea what happened. Well, obviously there was a fire there, but that's crazy.
Then I thought somebody was barbecuing. I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. I ran for my life. Then the smoke got me. I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I like to extend a warm welcome as always. And tonight I'm out here for a night flight. A few videos ago, this one was a request. Somebody in the comments said that this one looked like the X400 by MJX, and that's why they loved it. It looked like a tiny miniature one. This is the Riviera X700, and so I just think this guy is a little more like the X400 from MJX than this one is. And it's on the MJX protocol. I forget which MJX model this is because it is a rebranded MJX model. And check it out. I say it's more of an MJX 400 clone or baby miniature because this one is actually geared propped. So this one has geared motors, a geared motor setup just like the X400, but it's tiny. So this one is a Cyma X11 clone, but I think this one actually flies better than the Cyma X11 and all the other ones in this class too. This one flies awesome. It has all of the deep pitch of the X400. It flies just like the X400, but in a miniature size. So very deep pitch, pretty decent yaw too, and it can do really nice funnels. It's almost vertical with its funnels, and it just flies really nice. I did some modifications to this guy. This was a 700C from Riviera, so it did have a camera on it. I removed the camera and made room for these little stick-sized batteries. Swapped the battery lead for pH 2.0, and so I can fly these high voltage packs. So let's get this guy in the air so I can show you guys how it flies. Check it out. Awesome night flyer too. Blue in the front, red in the rear. This thing is awesome. Let me show you guys the funnel. Check it out. I'm at full throttle now, in full pitch, in full yaw. I have flips set up this time for MJX protocol. Check it out. So it does really nice snappy flips. I can even pull off double flips with this guy. Check it out. Probably can do more if I had it up in the air high, but I'm kind of babying this thing a little. Don't want to get too crazy with it. I do have another one, but the other one, something was wrong with the gears. I don't know what's up with Riviera, but their drones always seem to come hit or miss. I have two of these. One of them came with wonky gears. This one came perfect. I had another drone from them that came with wonky gears. The gears were grinding and all. But it was an awesome flyer though. Just like this one. Thing flies awesome. I tried to pull off a double flip. Here we go. And it has a really nice flight time too, because of the geared prop setup. Bank's really nice. Definitely one of my better flyers, one of my favorites in the micro class. Eon. Eon. Had to give y'all 2 eons. This thing is fast. You do some speed passes here. Dives really nice. I was thinking about taking this one to the park earlier today, but I got kind of busy, didn't get to get a video up for you guys. So this video will probably go up the next day, which will be Sunday. Try a loop. That was awesome. It does awesome loops. Sheesh, look at that. It looks like somebody left this thing on. They left their lifter on. I would help them out and turn it off, but I don't know how, so I'm not going to fool around with it. Oh, you got some flashing? Yep. It's flashing, so let's bring them in. Give you guys a chance to check it out too. So it's the Riviera X11, or it's the 700C, I believe, from Riviera. Awesome little flyer, one of my absolute favorites. Geared prop setup in the micro. Thanks for watching.